Hi lovely people, and welcome back to the Purrfect Recipe Remake Show. I'm EK, your animated chef, and these are my two furry helpers, Romeo and Juliet. And today we're baking something soft, spiced and sweet, inspired by Cupcake Jemma. That's right, Hot Cross Buns. Here's everything you'll need to make our Hot Cross Buns. We've got strong bread flour, yeast, sugar, butter, eggs, mixed peel, cinnamon and allspice, and of course, raisins, if Romeo leaves us any. Exact measurements are listed in the description below, so don't worry about writing anything down. Now we're adding our dry ingredients to the bowl of a stand mixer. Bread flour, instant dry yeast, sugar, salt, cinnamon and allspice. Oops! What have I done? Mixer was on high. Juliet started trying to catch the flour puffs in mid-air like it was a game. What a mess! Time to bring everything together. I'm pouring water, melted butter and 1 egg into the bowl with the flour, sugar and spices. Then we let the mixer do its magic. Slow and steady at first, then up to medium until it forms a soft, elastic dough. Romeo tried to press the mixer button himself, and Juliet, she's mesmerised by the spinning dough hook like it's a TV show made just for cats. Our dough is looking smooth and springy. Just one more thing before its first rise. Let's fold in our raisins and mixed peel. Romeo has decided to stand guard, and Juliet is pretending to sleep with one eye open. I guess that's one way to help. Our dough is now beautifully soft and stretchy, so we're placing it into a lightly oiled bowl and covering it up for its first rise. It'll need about an hour in a warm spot to double in size. Our dough has risen beautifully, light, airy and full of promise. Now it's time to knock the air out. Gently, of course. I'm folding the dough a few times to strengthen it before its second rest. Back into the bowl it goes, covered and cosy for another 30 minutes. Romeo is still on guard duty. Juliet, she gave the dough one squish with her paw, just to be sure. It's shaping time. Romeo is teaching me. As usual, I have already divided the dough into even portions. Onto the tray they go, snuggled up for their final rise. While the buns are rising, let's make the paste for the crosses. We're mixing together plain flour, water and a little oil, just until it forms a smooth, pipeable paste. Juliet is mesmerised by the mixing. Now that our buns have finished rising, it's time to pipe on the crosses. This part is slow and steady, unless Romeo jumps onto the tray again. Our buns are going in a preheated oven at 180°C for 20 to 25 minutes. This part always makes the kitchen feel like a warm hug. Romeo is hooked, fresh out of the oven, and just look at that golden colour. Time to glaze these beauties with a little warmed apricot jam. Romeo is trying to grab one, and Juliet can't help licking. Moment of truth. Let's taste one. Fluffy, golden, spice just right. Yep, these buns are total comfort in every bite. Romeo's purring, Juliet's licking her lips. I think we all agree, we love you, Cupcake Jemma. If you love baking with us today, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave us a comment. This was the Purrfect Recipe Remake Show. We'll see you next time with more sweetness, whiskers and cosy kitchen chaos. Bye!